Hey, welcome back to the channel, my show, Cooking with Manual Focus. You probably arrived to this channel because you've seen one of my delicious looking thumbnails and clicked on it. So I thank you for clicking on that thumbnail and watching one of my videos. So why the name Manual Focus? So just like a camera, when you take it out of autofocus and then you learn the ins and outs and you put it in the manual focus, that's when you unleash the power. And that's what I'm here to do today, is unleash your power as a chef, as a cook at home, so you can create some absolutely delicious food. So you'll probably ask the question, how did I get into cooking? So my grandfather, he was a chef, and my mom, she was a single parent working very hard. One day, my grandfather, he was babysitting me and my brother, and he was in the kitchen cooking. And I asked him the question, can you teach me how to cook? And without hesitation, he taught me how to cook. He gave me some tips and tricks of the trade. And then from there on out, I had a fascination for cooking. Here's two of my passions. I love helping people and I love cooking. So this is what this channel is all about, bringing those two passions together so I can help you, the cook at home, the chef at home, create absolutely delicious food. So since you're family, before you leave, hit that like button if you like the video, leave a comment, I definitely hit you back. And if you have not yet, smash that subscribe button, because I already know once you get into these recipes, you're gonna smash into that food. And we'll see you guys pretty soon on these videos.